What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. I said Conyers, Georgia. All right, about to do the work today. It is Memorial Day. And I know some of y'all saying, Vic, you crazy? Were you working on Memorial Day? What's up, y'all? What's up, family? We still at it, guys. Memorial Day. Let me tell you something. If you haven't already established yourself, ain't no holidays for you. You need to work when you can get to work. And guess what? It ain't rained yet, but it's drizzling. And we're gonna take advantage of every moment we get because it's supposed to rain every day for 2 weeks. I don't know what they done did to the weather, but it's raining every day for a week. Oh, correction, 2 weeks. So ain't no rain delays. We're getting it done. All right, fam, as you can see, the sun is out. I wonder, are y'all experiencing the same crazy weather as we are here in Georgia? I'm assuming you are. Well. All right, fam, we finished this property, but the rain caught us. And I don't understand, like I said, I'm still tripping. The sun came out, and I guess we're gonna just cut on. All right. Guys, have you ever ran over one of these? What we do is put a cone over it. Make sure. That way we won't hit it. All right, fam, still cutting, baby. Fam, what you gotta realize is that the weatherman can only predict the weather. You have to weather the storm. So my customer said that she wanted her edges to be sharp like Steve Harvey hairline. What do y'all think about it? Is this Steve Harvey hairline sharp right here? Ooh, that looks pretty to me. Yes, sir. You like it? Cut it at highest level. Beautiful. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, fam. We're at our 6th property today, and I am tired. Hadn't been out here in a while since last year, so I actually started on my summer break, and here I am working on my business. Yeah, pretty exhausted. Hit me work yesterday. Did several yards on my own, so I gotta push through it. You know, it's almost like when you got pains when you're jogging, and then once you push through it, all that pain go away. So this is it. This is the property. Hadn't did anything yet. We're about to spiff it up. All right. It is in the books. One of the things I can say about the rain is actually allowing the yards to look very plush. And a lot of times we don't get that unless you got some form of irrigation system. Check it out, fam. Somehow, some way, we took, somehow, some way we let me just say it. We gonna make the last job be the toughest. A cleanup. And let me show you what it looks like. All these hedges. Man, let's get it. Let's get it. All right, fam. People ask me a lot, how do you get more customers? You ready? Outlast the other guy. Cause this is hard work. This is no lie. This is hard work, man. But I do it. All right, y'all. Not finished, but this side is. Go ahead and shake me back. That one right there is beautiful. Come on, beautiful. So, a little over halfway done. Now I gotta get these. This is when the day is going too long. You know you're tired when you do that. All right, fam. All right, fam. This is it. Finished product took us an hour and a half to do. That bush right there was extremely high. Charge $75 an hour. So, another day's done. Quick cuts. Old trusty dusty. Original. All right, fam, another one in the books. I know it's tough out there. Stay encouraged because it is work. Keep doing the work. All right, this is Vic from Quick Cutz, Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Peace.